Hi, my name is Ashish, and this is the next video in which we're going to talk about configure multiple Azure VMs in an availability set. And in this video, I'll tell you how to configure the Azure VMs to be placed in an availability set to provide a redundancy to an application. Okay, so I am logged into the portal, and you see that I am in the middle of creating a virtual machine. There is a specific thing that you need to take care about when you are creating an availability set, that you have to create an availability set while the creating of a virtual machine. If the virtual machine has already been created, then it would not give you an option to place that machine in an availability set. It says you can create an availability set or select an existing availability set in the same location and resource group as the VM. So the machine should be in the same resource group and in the same location. So I just completed the basics of configuring the VM, the name, the password, the location, the size. And when I am in the configure optional features, I see this option for high availability. No availability zones are available for the location you have selected. To view location that support availability zones, go to this. Availability set is a different thing. I am creating a new availability set. I would name as test Azure AS, test Azure availability set. The fault domain. The fault domain is virtual machines in the same fault domain share a common power source and physical network switch. Update domain. Virtual machines in the same update domain will be restarted together during planned maintenance. Azure never restarts more than one update domain at a time. And I can set up to maximum of 3 fault domains. And I can set up to 20 update domains. So by update domains, it means that Azure will never restart the machines in a planned maintenance together. So like you have a location, a rack, and then you have placed the servers. Then Azure maintains its fault domains and update domains to take care. If the machine has the same fault domain, it will share the same rack, same blade server in the data center of Azure. Let's say I leave it to the way it was, and I click on OK. So my name of the availability set is test Azure AS. Rest all remain the same basic things while you create a VM. Let me just quickly create a VM and I'll be back. Okay, the deployment is succeeded. Let me just okay. My machine is up, test Azure VM 1, and I have this availability set. And now you see that the availability set is present and the name is test Azure availability set. So next time when you will create a new virtual machine and you will go on to this availability set option, you will see that you have an option to add this machine to an existing availability set, and that this will show up. I hope this was informative to all of you. Please mention in your feedback in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, and please don't forget to share this video with all of your friends, family, relatives to share this knowledge about Azure. Till next time video, all the best. Have a great day.